What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. I'm Don, and today we're doing a review of these HyperX Doubleshot PBT Keycaps. So on my previous video, a gentleman by the name of Zach said he picked up some of these and he wanted me to check them out. So I'm like, why not? And then he called them pudding. I like pudding, but this was not the pudding I had in mind. Maybe next time. Just a shout out to Zach for letting me know about these. He must really like terrible reviews. But hey, I'm no expert. I just use the stuff. And we're going to be using these keycaps with one of my KeyMove keyboards. I really like the way these keycaps feel on here. I haven't even opened the box for these yet, so hopefully they fit because they go on Amazon. The black ones go for $19.99 while these white ones go for $24.99. So I have to shell out a few extra bucks, but hey, if they smell like pudding, it'll be a win. So let's go ahead and open this box up and see what's inside. So in the box, let's go ahead and crack it on open. That's it. Nothing else. So we have a layout of a keyboard. Because this keyboard does come with 104 keys, even though my 60% keyboard doesn't have this many, I'll just eat the rest because they are pudding, right? And with this, in case you haven't memorized the keys, you have a little layout. Because I haven't memorized the keys, but I'm the fastest two-finger typer you ever seen. So go ahead and get rid of that because I actually took a picture of my keyboard first. So here are the keycaps. And they come plastic sealed for freshness. You know, because you have to keep your pudding from going bad. So now that we have our keycaps here, need to go ahead and stick them on this. But first, I need to take the keycaps off of this thing. 5 hours later. I got the keycaps off, so let's go ahead and install some white pudding PBT Doubleshot keycaps. Did I say it backwards? Whatever. Alright, so I installed the cap. So this is what it looked like before. And this is what it looked like with the new keycaps installed. Some of them didn't fit. There was like two right here, an alt and a function that did not fit. I'm gonna get some blank keycaps to cover that up. So, but I just stuck two on there that did fit, and you can see there's a little gap there. I'm gonna go ahead and clean that up later. But they really let a lot of light through. So they definitely do make your keyboard look that much nicer. This was the original. This is with the white HyperX pudding keycaps. Very nice there. These keys do have a nice feel. I kind of dig the more rubberized feel of the stock keys that came with this 60% keyboard. But these are supposed to be oil-free. The letters are not supposed to rub off. They're supposed to last. It does come, these keys, with a 2-year warranty. We'll find out. I'm going to go ahead and one-finger type for 2 years and see how this holds up. So what do you think about these caps? Is this something that you would stick on your 60% or regular size keyboard? Let me know in the comments below. In the description, I'm going to have the link for these keycaps if you want to check them out more, if you want more details on them, if you want to check out what PBT means. Does it mean peanut butter time? Like I said, I'm not an expert. I just use the stuff and I want to see if it works. Well, again, I'm Don. Thanks for watching. Make sure to go ahead and subscribe and like the video if you like the video. Now time to get back to that one-finger typing.